Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Standard 12, an important milestone in your life. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. We are caught in lockdown, and due to this lockdown, we have to study from home. I, Mrs. Anupama, will be going to teach you mathematics part first. Mathematics part first deals with the topics like mathematical logic, matrices, trigonometric functions, pair of straight lines, vectors, line, and plane, and last, linear programming. Additional information has been provided on the eBalbharati website. Students, you are now ready to study. All the best wishes for a happy learning experience and well-deserved success. Enjoy learning and be successful. So let us see lesson number 1, mathematical logic. It is very easy and interesting topic. So let us study the following points in this lesson. See the points. Number 1, statement and its truth value. Number 2, logical connective compound statements. Number 3, truth tables, regression of statements and compound statements. Number 4, statement, pattern, logical equivalence. Number 5, tautology, contradiction and contingency. Number 6, quantifiers and qualified statements, duality. Number 7, application of logic to switching circuits, switching table. Let us see in this lesson which are the examples of statement and how to write its truth value. Mathematics is a logical subject and tries to be exact. For exactness, it requires proofs. For exactness, it requires proofs which depend upon proper reasoning. Reasoning requires logic. The word logic is derived from the Greek word logos, which means reason. Therefore, logic deals with the method of reasoning. In ancient Greece, the great philosopher and thinker Aristotle started study of logic systematically. In mathematics, logics has been developed by English philosopher and mathematician George Boole, 2nd November 1815 to 8 December 1864. Language is the medium of communication of our thoughts. For communication, we use sentences. In logic, we use the statements which are special sentences. Let us see statement. A statement is a declarative, that is assertive sentence which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. Statements are denoted by the small letters PQR. Now let us see truth value. Truth value of statement. Each statement is either true or false. If a statement is true, then its truth value is true, and if the statement is false, then its truth value is false. Let us see examples. Following sentences are statement. Number 1, sun rises in the east. Number 2, 5 into 2, that is 11. Number 3, every triangle has 3 sides. So these are the examples of statement. Following sentences are not statements. Number 1, please give me your pen. What is your name? What is beautiful place it is? How are you? Do you like to play tennis? Open the window. Let us go for tea. Sit down. So the statement sets are not statements. Interrogative exclamatory command. order, request, suggestion are not statements. Consider the following. 3x upon 2 minus 9 is equal to 0. He is tall. Number 3. Mathematics is an interesting subject. Number 4. It is black in color. So these are not examples of statement. It means that these are not statements. Let us analyze these statements. Number 1. For x is equal to 6. It is true value for 6, but other than 6 is not true. Number 2. Here we cannot determine the truth value. For the example, he is tall. Here we cannot determine the truth value. And let us see third example. Mathematics is an interesting subject. And number 4, it is black in color. The truth value varies from person to person. So these are not statements. Here we cannot find the truth value. Truth value depends upon the situation. Therefore, the sentences are called as open sentence. Let us see few more examples in next video. Bye.